Are you tired of your Facebook ads looking like they were created by a 2-year-old? Well, this video is for you. I'm gonna teach you exactly how to create ads that convert. I'm gonna make it even easier for you. I'm gonna include a free swipe file, cheat sheet, Facebook ads library of all of our favorite Facebook ads that you can use for inspiration when creating your ads. Just click the link in the description to get instant access to that. Moving on. Step 1 to creating Facebook ads that convert is having a high quality image. If you're not going to use video, which you can go really low quality on video, you can do cell phone videos, at least have a high quality image that captures people's attention. This of course goes hand in hand with having good ad copy. The image is what gives users your first impression of your ad, and having a crappy image is just going to result in your ad getting scrolled past, not clicked on, dropping your CTR, increasing your CPC, the whole 9 yards. And think about it this way, people are probably gonna look at your image first before they read the tiny little description or the tiny little call to action of the ad. So use colors that go well together, have a high resolution image, no pixelated BS here, and don't add a lot of text to your image. But then two, no one's gonna read it. They have the description for that. They have the call to action for that. After they look at the ad's image, then people will read the copy because it caught their eye with the image and they're curious to learn more. So 1, have a really high quality image. Number 2 is actually give people a reason to engage with your ad via clicking it, leaving a comment, etc. Nobody is going to buy your product or service if it doesn't benefit them. Address problems and how your solution faces them and solves them. Relate to your audience the most, like who you're targeting, what verbiage do they use, put that in the ad copy, what kind of problems do they have, what are they looking for solutions for, and why your ad is actually relevant to them. Put that in the ad copy. Have a specific goal with that ad, like what the engagement is. You need to nail that down. Is it just getting more website visitors is not a good engagement metric? Do you want more landing page visits? Do you want more people to register? Do you want people to add to cart? Obviously everybody wants more sales, but you might need to break these into smaller categories so you can retarget people along the funnel to warm them up to a purchase. There's different steps to get you to more sales. Just sending people straight to your product page and asking them to check out works sometimes, but what's even better is educating them a little bit or engaging with them a little bit and then retargeting them along the way to get them to purchase. Also, having flash sales is a great way to get customers to engage sooner because it adds that urgency, and everybody loves that urgency. It makes people take action. Next is keep it short and simple. The majority of people, myself included, are going to ignore the huge chunks of text. Now, I know you're saying, Lewis, I've seen ads where it looks like it was a novel written in the ad copy. Those work sometimes, but more often than not, just go with the short, to the point ad copy. People don't have the patience to go through those. Those are typically for like longer, high ticket items like core sales, and you're really trying to warm people up and they've already seen some other ads. I would just stick to the short copy for now. And when I'm referring to copy, I'm referring to the text that's inside the actual ad. That's often referred to ad copy, text copy, or copy. And make sure you run your ad text copy through a grammar checking service, because people will call you out if you have typos in your ad, and it's not fun. Also include emojis in your ad because they pop out and they catch the eye more, but don't have it filled with emojis. Try to keep them just to the main points you want people to read. Also, if you're packing in a lot of information into either the picture, through text, or through the actual ad description, it might make more sense just to shoot a video. Just grab your phone and shoot a video if there's a lot more that you need to convey to get someone to want to click. Perfect segue into Facebook video ads. We typically see cheaper CPMs on video ads and just cheaper clicks overall on video ads. Plus it opens up the doors for things like retargeting people based on watch time, which is awesome. If you're not getting anywhere with simple text ads and whatnot, create Facebook video ads. These are capable of showing off how your product works. You can take them through a demo. You can make them quirky and silly and funny to get people to actually watch all the way through. You have so much more range of movement in a video than you do just a text and picture ads. So videos are super easy to make nowadays, and you don't need a professional editor. In fact, they don't even need to have all this like crazy lighting I have. It can just be like really crappy, right? The point is that it's done. When it comes to video ads, done is better than perfect. In fact, doing the more handheld style actually works well on Facebook because people tend to think it's like a friend posting on their newsfeed or something, right? So then they're more likely to watch it. Also, if you suck on camera, which is, totally okay, You can actually use softwares like Biteable or Promo. The links will be in the description because they give you like stock videos, just mash them together, add some text, add some music, and you're good to go. You at least now can start testing out with video. So if you're really looking for real tangible examples, we actually put all that work in. As I mentioned, it's in the free cheat sheet. Go through that, check out the landing pages, check out what kind of ads they're using to get an idea of what good, high quality ads look like. Hope you got some value to this video. My name is Mudrich. Please hit the subscribe button, click the bell so you get notified whenever I put up new videos. Leave a like because that tells the algorithm that these videos are awesome, and I'll see you on the next video.